Hi everyone, it's Emily. I'm here today to show you how to create a roll and read game. First thing I want to do is go into my folders, and here are my folders right here, and I'm going to create a game today using Final Blends. So I'll click on that, and all of the words that I've selected in the past from my search are in that folder. So I have 36 words because I know I need that to put that into the roll and read template. So I'm going to click on export in template. Now these are the choices. I find game templates. Click on roll and read. Click next. All of the words are not selected right now. So I'm going to slide it over. So I want all of the words selected. You have that choice to select the ones you want. Click next. And it's going to start populating the words into the template. Okay, so this is sort of a preview of what it's going to look like. You can shuffle the words if you want. So if you're giving them to more than one student, you want to play against someone else, that's fine. You can shuffle them around, just click shuffle, and the words shuffle around on the game board. I want to make a few changes. I'm going to take off the header so it doesn't have name and date and so forth. You don't have to. I also want to change the font. So I'm going to change the font to primary 2. I also want to increase the size, and I'm going to make it as big as I can for this student. Okay, so there I have it. It looks pretty good to me. So the next thing I want to do is make my PDF. So I'm going to click on PDF. And there we go. It might pop up in a window up here or down the bottom, wherever your downloading notifications are. So there's my game board. I'm ready to print it and use it with my student. All of the words are in there that I wanted. So I'll click print and use whatever printer settings that you have on your computer. It gives you a little preview. I'll print that out. And then I can just go back to my template engine and do whatever I'd like from there. I can save it if I want or make some changes. And that's it. Thanks so much for watching today. Bye-bye.